In this short video, I will show how to use segmented memory acquisition in Agilent's InfiniiVision 3000 and 4000 X-series oscilloscopes to optimize acquisition memory to capture more selective waveform data. Let's begin with a simple example using Agilent's 4000 X-series oscilloscope. Here we show a short sine wave burst that has a very low duty cycle. Notice that the scope is currently sampling at 5 gigasamples per second. To capture more occurrences of this burst, I can increase the time-based setting, but the scope reduces its sample rate to just 20 megasamples per second. Sample rate is a function of the scope's time-based setting and memory depth, which for this scope is 4 million points. If I turn on zoom, we can see that each burst is now undersampled. One solution would be to use a scope with much deeper memory, but a better solution is to use this scope's segmented memory acquisition mode. With the scope's time base rescaled again for optimum resolution, let's now use this scope's segmented memory acquisition mode to capture 1,000 consecutive occurrences of this burst. The scope just completed the capture of 1,000 consecutive occurrences of these sine wave bursts. We can now review each burst individually. This first captured burst has a 0-second time tag. The second burst occurred 4 milliseconds later, and the last captured burst, which is segment number 1,000, occurred nearly 4 seconds after the first segment. With segmented memory acquisition, the scope captured each sine wave burst with high resolution, but didn't waste valuable acquisition memory capturing the idle time between each burst. Capturing 4 seconds of time using conventional oscilloscope memory would have required 5 gigabytes of memory, which is currently not available in any scope on the market today. Let's now see another measurement example that is a bit more complex. We'll capture multiple and consecutive occurrences of selective packets of serial data. Here we show the scope capturing a serial bus packet. We can also see that the scope is detecting random errors. What if we wanted to capture multiple and consecutive occurrences of errors so that we could more closely analyze each of them? I've now set up the scope to exclusively trigger on errors. Let's capture 100 consecutive errors using segmented memory. Once we begin the segmented memory acquisition, capturing all 100 packets with errors takes a few seconds since these errors occur very infrequently. Here we show the first captured error at time tag 0. Also note that all captured segments are displayed in the protocol lister table, which shows that each captured packet contained an error. If we dial up to the last segment, we can see that it has a time tag in the 10-second range. As you've seen in this short video, Agilent's segmented memory acquisition capability in the InfiniiVision 3000 and 4000 X-series oscilloscopes can be used to optimize your scope's available acquisition memory, allowing you to capture more with less. To learn more about Agilent's new InfiniiVision X-series oscilloscopes, contact your local Agilent distributor and ask for a demonstration. Thank you.